In this video, I'm gonna share 3 side hustles that you can implement today in order to start getting some money in your pockets. Coming up. What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. And on this channel, what we do is we teach real estate investors and entrepreneurs how to create time and freedom to help them get from where they are to where they wanna be through proven real estate investing strategies. Now, this video is slightly different because it really doesn't have anything to do with real estate, but it can help you get some money up to get your real estate investing business started. So what I want to do today is share with you 3 simple side hustles that you can implement today in order to start generating some money so that you can start investing that money into growing your real estate investing business. The first side hustle that I want to talk about is becoming a facilitator between Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Now, recently I dropped a simple video on my Instagram page. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at Jamel Gibbs. But in that video, I shared a simple tip that can help you generate some income in order to either feed yourself or add it to your real estate investing business to continue to grow your profits as a real estate investor. How this works is really simple. What you're gonna do is go to Craigslist, and on Craigslist, if you go down to the for sale section, right on the dashboard on the home page of Craigslist, if you look on the second column, you're gonna see a tab that says free. It's gonna list a bunch of free items that you can pick up. All you gotta do is take those free items and list them for sale on the Facebook Marketplace for money. Obviously, you're looking to make a profit. So if somebody's giving something away for free on Craigslist, you're gonna facilitate a sale on Facebook Marketplace. Say you list it for $50 to $100. You can keep that $50 to $100 and put it right in your pockets. Really simple, really easy way to start making some money, generating some income for your pockets in order for you to add that money to your real estate investing endeavors. All right, so now the second thing that you could do in order to start generating some income today is gonna take a little bit of money, but you're gonna be able to flip your money relatively quickly. So what you're gonna do is go around to your department stores, your local department stores in your area, and see what's on the clearance section. And then you're gonna do a little bit of research to see what you can sell that thing for online. Let's say you go to Amazon.com and you see what that particular item is selling for online. You can then go ahead and list it for either the same price or slightly less so you can sell it a little bit quicker. So let's just say, for example, when I taught my daughter how to do this, I showed her how to buy a $20 pair of Nike cleats and then sell them online for $45. You can do the same exact thing. You can create easy money by simply purchasing stuff on sale and then selling it at a profit in order for you to put some cash in your pockets. The third way for you to start generating some immediate money today is through a system called drop servicing. Now, if you've ever heard of drop shipping, drop servicing is pretty much the same thing. The only difference is you're offering services rather than products. So for example, let's just say you go and set up a drop servicing account and you decide to list an ad stating that you can create graphics for businesses. What you can do is list your services on any drop servicing account and then go ahead and start getting in orders. And once you find actual buyers, you can go to Fiverr.com and find someone to do it for less money than what your drop servicing offer is. So let's just say on your drop servicing account, you tell people that you can create any type of logo or graphics for $50. You can then go to Fiverr.com, find somebody to do it for $5, $10, maybe $15 and keep the difference. That's just another way for you to start generating some income. Now notice, all 3 of these strategies are strategies you can start implementing right now. You don't need a lot of money to do it. You can do it right from the comfort of your own home. And as long as you got internet access and possibly a cell phone, you can make things happen. The whole point is start generating some income in order to put that money towards marketing your real estate business so that you can get bigger checks in order to start making money immediately. Now, before you go, I actually wanted to share a couple of other tips, real estate related, that you can actually start incorporating today to familiarize yourself with real estate investing and how the marketing works while making some money as you do it. So some bonus things that you can do if you're looking to get started in the real estate business. The first thing you can do is contact local real estate investors who put out those "We Buy Houses" signs. Maybe they have ads on Craigslist. Maybe they have ads on Facebook Marketplace, but you can literally contact them and let them know that you're willing to hang their banner signs or post their ads on Craigslist for a small profit. So for example, let's just say you find someone that's willing to hang banner signs every week. You could charge them $1, maybe $1.50 per sign plus some gas money in order to be able to get the job done for them. And if they need them taken up, you can charge them an additional $1 per sign in order to be able to do that as well. So let's just say they hang 250 signs a week. That's an easy $250 that'll take you maybe 3 hours to get every single week. Same thing goes for placing Craigslist ads. Maybe you could charge $10 an hour just to place Craigslist ads or Facebook Marketplace ads looking for people who are selling their properties. This is a good way for you to familiarize yourself with real estate marketing while still making some money at the same time. Another thing you could do is offer real estate investors the opportunity to become a field agent for them. So what that basically means is you'll drive around properties that they are negotiating, possibly looking to put under contract. You'll take pictures of the property, scout the areas for more properties, bring more properties to them, ultimately being a field agent for a profit. Let's just say you decided that you wanted to take pictures for them. What you could do, charge them $20, $25 just to drive to a property, take a picture or multiple pictures of a property and send it to them and evaluate the property while you're there as well. Maybe you could charge a slightly higher fee just to evaluate the property if they can show you how to do it. The whole point is you're looking to generate income. And ultimately, when you start generating income, what you're looking to do is take that money and start investing into your real estate investing marketing. So if you start making money and you're hanging banner signs for somebody else, you then take a couple of $100 out of the money that you make and you buy some banner signs. Maybe you start posting your own Craigslist ads and you start generating leads for yourself in order to be able to make bigger money as a real estate investor. But there's really no excuses out there. A lot of people say they don't have money to get started. You don't need money to get started. You just have to think outside the box, be creative with how you do things to generate some money and then ultimately start taking that money and investing it into your real estate endeavors. That's 3 ways plus 2 bonus real estate ways for you to go out there today, start generating some income for yourself in order to start supporting your real estate business and get yourself out of your situation to help you go from where you are to where you want to go as a real estate investor. I hope you like this video. Be sure to like it, subscribe, click the notification bell, share this video with your family and friends who don't have a lot of money, but they want to get started in real estate today. Share it with them, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.